Yay.
Critics rave Secret Life is a habit-forming sensation. And next Monday, Secret Life is all new.
You're engaged? When did you get engaged?
One secret leads to another. An all-new Secret Life. Next Monday at 8, 7 Central. Followed by Make It or Break It. Only on ABC Family.
Due to the graphic nature of this program, viewer discretion is advised.
Is filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.